Good morning, everyone. So I just got a couple pieces to touch on today. Some news from Tesla. Not so good news this morning, but we'll go through it anyway. So first article here is from Electrek. Tesla faces backlash from Giga Shanghai workers after cutting performance bonus over a death. So unfortunately, there was a death in the welding area at Tesla in Shanghai, and I guess as a result, Tesla decided to reduce the performance bonus. A lot of businesses in Shanghai have a safety bonus, and it would make sense that that would be reduced if there was a death at the company. But it seems like the Gigafactory Shanghai doesn't have a safety bonus, but they do have a performance bonus, and that was reduced. So the performance bonus that was cut was reportedly worth 2,000 won, which is $291. And Shanghai production workers earn around 110 to 120,000 won, which is roughly 16,000 US dollars a year, including bonuses and overtime pay. The $291 US dollars is kind of significant when you consider how little they make compared to North America. So the workers obviously are not happy about this and have been voicing their opinions online. But I think Tesla's point of view is they want to encourage the safest environment, have everybody looking out for everyone else in the factory. So they reduced the performance bonus, because obviously that's not a good performance when a worker unfortunately dies. Sad all around, and hopefully it doesn't happen again. Second article here from Inside EVs. Tesla totaled after crashing into pickup truck. And we have a clip of the incident here. So let's have a look.
Was approaching an intersection with a green light when the driver of the GMC Sierra tried to beat the light and failed to yield to oncoming traffic. Cameron crashed into the pickup truck head-on and spun around 180 degrees. The truck proceeded to hit another vehicle before they all came to a complete stop. Cameron broke his right arm in the impact, but everyone was able to walk away alive and without any other severe injuries. One of the responding officers was absolutely amazed by the fact that the Tesla recorded everything on video and just kept saying how much he loves Tesla. Tesla actually contacted Cameron minutes after the crash to notify him that they detected the collision. Cameron thanked them for reaching out, and they helped him call a tow truck and make an insurance claim. The Tesla was deemed a total loss, with damages exceeding 60,000 US dollars. Cameron sent along a message with his story: "Please be patient and stop for red lights."
So unfortunate crash there involving a Tesla and the GMC Sierra kind of trying to rush through the intersection to make a left turn. But looking at the footage, you know, the Model 3 is basically is written off, as they mentioned, and unfortunately Cameron broke his arm, but at least he'll be able to recover and see another day. So not something you want to see. A couple accidents, one at the factory, one out on the streets. But it's worthwhile noting that Teslas are the safest vehicles to be in, and judging by the damages here, if he was in a different vehicle, who knows what the outcome would have been. Yeah, nice to see that Tesla kind of took care of the business details of that you have to go through when you get into an accident by calling his insurance and arranging a tow truck. It's pretty nice of them to do that. Well, you know, he's going to be unfortunately in hospital getting his injuries taken care of. So nice that Tesla arranged that for him. So yeah, those are the two articles I want to touch on this morning. My name's Evan Bertrand. This is the Evergreen Channel. Thanks for watching.